How to draw the Atlanta Falcons logo. We are going to start by drawing a diagonal line on the top of our page that curves downwards at the end. Great job! Now from the end of that we are going to draw a slightly curved line going upwards just a tiny bit, and then a straight line going to the left. Awesome! Now from the end of that we are going to draw the smallest diagonal line going down and to the right, and then we are going to draw a diagonal line going down and to the left that's very long. You're doing great so far. Learn how to draw hub crew. Now we are going to draw a diagonal line going up and to the left from where we left off. Above this, we are going to draw a long diagonal line that connects to the line we just finished drawing with a small point at the end that is pointed down and to the left. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Now we are going to draw the same shape that we drew right here, above it right here, 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 and here, with the top one being the largest. Awesome job! Now let's draw another one above that that's a little bit smaller. And we are going to draw one more above this that's smaller. And then the last one will be the largest. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Our drawings are coming along great. Now for the last one at the top, it is going to be the largest like I said, and it will connect to the line at the top that we already drew. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Our drawings are looking great so far and we're almost finished. Now we are going to draw some detail for the eye and the beak. The eye will be a triangular shape that will go right here. Awesome job! Now in the space below that and to the right, we are going to draw a shape that looks a little bit like a bubble letter T. Nice job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Our Atlanta Falcons logo is looking awesome. Next, we are going to draw two lines that are going to go right here. Then at the bottom of the left line, we are going to draw a small straight line going to the right. Nice job! Now to connect that space, we are going to draw a slight curved line that goes down, and then we are going to draw a C shape and a slight curved line that goes back upwards, connecting it to the right. Our Atlanta Falcons logos are looking awesome. Now we are going to draw some triangles for detail inside of what we already drew, and there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. These triangles are going to be long and skinny with the flat side facing to the right. Looks awesome. Now let's draw the others. The triangle up here on the top is going to be the longest of all of the triangles, and it will go all the way towards the right, almost where the eye is. Now let's draw the last triangle. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now the final steps of drawing our Atlanta Falcons logo is to outline the whole logo that we just drew. We are going to do this twice. The reason we are going to outline this twice is because in between those two outlines, we will color it in, and you could see the colors that we use at the very end. This is how to draw the Atlanta Falcons logo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big like below. And if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, be sure to subscribe. Also, to see more logos tutorials in particular, make sure to check out our logos playlist. Thanks for drawing with me. See you again next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.